Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your OpenAI API key, also known as the ChatGPT API key. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. The first step is to go to platform.openai.com. You can simply type that into Google or enter it directly into your browser. Once you're on the site, you'll either see the option to sign up or log in. If you already have a ChatGPT account, you can log in with the same email and password since both accounts are linked under OpenAI. After logging in, use the search bar at the top of the page and type API keys. Click on the result that says View and Manage API Keys. This will open the section where all of your keys are stored. Now to create a new one, click Create New Secret Key. You'll be asked to give it a name, for example, Test Key. Choose the default project if you don't have another setup, and then click Create Secret Key. Your new API key will now be shown on the screen. Make sure to copy it immediately by clicking the Copy button. Once you click Done, the key will be hidden for security reasons, and you won't be able to copy it again. If you lose it, you'll need to generate a new key. You can, however, rename it or delete it anytime. And that's it. You've successfully created your OpenAI API key. Now you can use this key to connect apps, services, or your own projects to OpenAI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.